Alright gang, here's my 86.5, 87 Nissan SEV6 hardbody truck. I hit a bump, right? And this will happen to you if you have one of these old school ones on here. See that green right there? I hit a bump, that came out and shut the car down. Yeah. Go to start it, nothing. So I came back over here, pushed that in, car started right back up again. So I'm going to be replacing that. But in case you're driving down the road and that happens, that's what it is. If you hit a bump or whatever, or this becomes dislodged, your car is effectively done. It's not running today. So I've seen these on the internet for sale, so I'll be buying one. Right now I'm still battling to get this to pass emissions. Did new brakes and everything. It's actually a pretty awesome little truck. I got a new muffler on this. New muffler, catalytic converter, and torsion bars. You can see the torsion bars. Yeah, so we're almost there. I'm trying this stuff. I'm trying this emission system cleaner to get it to pass emissions. I've already done seafoam, and now I'm trying this. We'll see if that works. I'm going to do a YouTube if this does work. It says it does, so. Yeah, it's got 255,000 miles. I thought it had 275, but anyway, that's what we got. It's a beater, but mechanically it's in great shape. But I'm going to have to fix that, because if I'm on the freeway and that comes loose, my car is effectively dead. So we'll catch you on the next YouTube. Thank you.